Greetings and salutations, your average rider here. Let's talk the Icon RAU. The Icon RAU, which stands for Ride Among Us, is a motorcycle communicator developed by Sena, but you already knew that. It's identical in every way to the Sena SFR, except for color and icon branding, and usually price. The Icon RAU is usually cheaper than the Sena SFR, noticeably cheaper. This is my brother's older Icon variant with the Icon RAU installed. I'm not a big fan of how the cable needs to wrap under the helmet base because it's possible to be damaged if placing the helmet down. And this is my newer Icon Variant Pro. The new Icon Variant Pro has a cutout that I'm able to run the cable up in here so that there's no way it can get damaged. Let's try a quick audio test. Well, this was interesting to see. My older Sena SMH10 is louder than my new Icon RAU. This could be because the speaker system I have installed in the Bell Qualifier DLX uses the same speakers and mounting hardware as the Bell Mag 9, which is a 3/4 helmet with a shield. Maybe that had better speakers that needed to be louder. But compared to my older Sena SMH10, the new Icon RAU has better battery life, it can be charged while in use, it has a longer range, it uses Bluetooth 4.1 instead of Bluetooth 3.0, and a big one for me is that the Icon RAU, along with other newer Sena Comm units, have an app available to them. Let me show you that to you now. So here's the iOS version. I believe the Android version is the exact same. When I first opened it, it happened to tell me that there's a firmware update available. I click into the settings menu and I see I'm running 1.01 and 1.02 is available. I can go into basic settings. There's a bunch of options in here. I'm gonna go back and go into volume settings. Yet again, some more options. Very clear as to what is happening. Go back into remote control and I can choose any one of these. Here's Bluetooth Intercom, so I can pair with up to 3 more riders and talk to these riders all at the same time. Then there's phone. There's voice dial, redial, and 3 speed dials. I can click on a speed dial and simply enter in a phone number and say OK. Once there, if I just click it, it wants to dial that number. But if I press and hold, I am then able to edit that number. Go into music, and this will start your music player. You can skip tracks, forward and reverse, and pause. And then we have FM radio. You can choose some radio presets. You can see it's off. I just turned it on. Now you can change radio station presets in here. And then click back and power it off. Down here you can see there are quick presets to those remote control options. Same as here. Well, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful at all, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.